First, loosen the mirror retaining screw and remove the screw and mirror. Then, take off the front fairing of the motorcycle in order to have better access to the cables and lines. Carefully remove the grip from the handlebar using a flat screwdriver and brake part cleaner. Gently push a screwdriver between the handlebar and grip, taking care not to pierce the grip. Spray a small amount of brake part cleaner in the gap to make it easier to pull off the grip. Remove the clutch switch connector and open the screw on the clamp. Then, open the clutch cable adjustment screw to remove the clutch cable. Open the screws of the switch module and remove it from the handlebar. Remove the old clutch activation lever from the handlebar. Then, remove the clutch cable from the clutch release lever and open the nut to remove the cable from the retainer. Detach the clutch return spring from the clutch activation lever on the engine and secure with a cable tie. Remove the clutch cable. Open the screw on the clamp and mount the HYMEC master cylinder on the handlebar. Tighten the screw on the clamp. Mount the switch module in the place provided for it on the handlebar. Shorten the cable of the clutch switch to the required length and strip to expose the cable ends. Press fit a flat crimp connector to the end of one cable. Do the same for the second cable. Join the connector from the old clutch master to the crimped cable ends. Make sure that the cables sit securely. If necessary, pull the connectors through from the other side using a pointy-nosed pliers. Join the two connectors and secure the cable. Next, install the hydraulic line of the HYMEC. In doing so, follow the route of the standard clutch cable. Secure the line with cable ties and cut off the projecting ends. File the mounting sleeve and washers so that they fit in the retainer. This step is required for installation on a Yamaha MT-07 and is not necessary for all motorcycle models. Push the sleeve and washer onto the slave cylinder and insert the cylinder into the retainer. Insert the actuating rod for the slave cylinder into the clutch release lever. Check the free play of the clutch. It should be 4 to 6 millimeters. Use the supplied washers for fine adjustment. Close the retaining clip on the clutch release lever so that the actuating rod cannot detach. Secure the detached return spring to the clutch release lever with a cable tie. Remount the grip back onto the handlebar and install the rearview mirror. Loosen the clamp of the HYMEC master cylinder. Position the HYMEC master cylinder so that the lever can move freely and does not collide with the switch module. Align the master cylinder as required and retighten the clamp. The lever can now move freely over the entire actuation range. Set the lever hand position out as far as possible and test whether the clutch is properly disengaging. Then, reset to your preferred position and test again whether the clutch is fully disengaged. Reattach the front fairing of the motorcycle and tighten the retaining bolts according to the manufacturer's instructions. Secure the cable of the clutch switch with cable ties and cut off the projecting ends. Start the motorcycle engine. With the clutch pulled, shift to first gear and then back into neutral. Next, shift to second gear and then back into neutral. If the HYMEC is installed correctly, it will be no problem to find neutral. If the gear shifts back and forth between first and second gear without finding neutral, the clutch was not correctly installed or may have air present in the system.